Namaste. Dear students, in the last class we have seen 2 variable K-map representing max terms, 3 variable K-map representing max terms and 3 variable K-map representing max terms. Today we shall continue the topic POS reduction using K-map. In POS reduction, each square of the K-map represents max terms. And for a function with n variables, there would be 2 to the power n squares. In POS reduction, complemented letters denotes 1 and uncomplimented letters denotes zeros. If x is the variable, x bar denotes 1 and x denotes 0. And in POS reduction, map is filled by placing zeros in the squares whose max term leads to output 0 and remaining squares are filled with the ones. In SOP reduction, each square of the K-map represents a min-term. For a function with n variables, there would be 2 to the power n squares and complemented variable denotes 0 and uncomplimented variable denotes 1. Here in POS reduction, complemented variable or complemented letter denotes 1 and uncomplimented letter denotes 0. And in SOP reduction, map is filled by placing ones in the squares whose min-term leads to output 1 and remaining squares with the zeros. In POS reduction, map is filled by placing zeros in the squares whose max term leads to output 0. Okay, we shall discuss some problems under POS reduction. First problem, given f of x, y, z is equal to pi of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, reduce it by using K-map. Pi of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. POS expression, that is product of some expression, is represented by using the symbol pi. SOP expression is represented using the symbol sigma. Okay. Now given f of xyz is equal to pi of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. There are 3 variables in the function, so there would be 8 squares in the K-map. Variables are x, y, z. Numbers are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Binary values are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In POS reduction, complemented letter denotes 1 and uncomplimented letter denotes 0. So 0 means x, 1 is x bar. Next 0, 0 variables are y, z, that is y plus z. Next 0, 1 y plus z bar. Z is complemented, it denotes 1. Next 1, 1 y bar plus z bar. 1, 0 y bar plus z. Next step is filling the map. So in POS reduction, we know that map is filled by placing zeros in the squares whose max term leads to output 0 and fill the remaining squares with the ones. Now, first, second, third, fifth and seventh squares are having the max terms leads to output 0. So, fill those squares with zeros and remaining squares with ones. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7 and fill 0th, 4th, 6th squares with the ones. In POS reduction, octet means group of 8 adjacent zeros. In SOP reduction, octet means group of 8 adjacent ones. Here in POS reduction, octet means group of 8 adjacent zeros. Quad means group of 4 adjacent zeros and pair means group of 2 adjacent zeros. Next, we shall form the groups. There are no 8 adjacent zeros, so there is no octet. Then search for quad. Yes, there are 4 adjacent zeros. Using those zeros, we can form a quad. Using zeros in the first square, third square, fifth square and seventh square, we can form a quad. From quad, using M1 into M3 into M5 into M7. M1 into M3 into M5 into M7. Max term is represented using capital letter M. Min term is represented using small letter m. M1, M3, M5, M7. Next, we shall write the corresponding max terms of each square. See, max term of first square, that is x plus y plus z bar. M1 x plus y plus z bar into M3, max term of third square, x plus y bar plus z bar. Into M5, max term of fifth square, that is x bar plus y plus z bar. X bar plus y plus z bar. Next, max term of seventh square into M7, that is x bar plus y bar plus z bar. X bar plus y bar plus z bar. Next, we shall write the common variables x. See, first letter is x, that is not common. Next, y is not common. Next, z bar. Yes, z bar is common in all the max terms. So, write the variable or letter z bar. So, from quad we got z bar. Next, search for pairs. Yes, you can see a pair in the K map using zeros in the third square and second square. We can form a pair. From pair, using M3 into M2 or M2 into M3. M3 into M2. Next step is writing the max term of each square. See, max term of third square is x plus y bar plus z bar. X plus y bar plus z bar into max term of second square, that is x plus y bar plus z. X plus y bar plus z. In these two min terms, max terms, x is common, x plus y bar. Y bar is common. Z bar is not common. So from pair we got the max term x plus y bar. Here quad and pair are overlapped. What is overlapping? Same 0 can be encircled more than once. In overlapping, same 0 can be encircled more than once. Here 0 in the third square is included in the quad as well as in the pair. That is also possible. Here quad and pair are overlapped. Next we shall write the SOP expression. Reduced SOP expression is Z bar, reduced POS expression. Reduced POS expression is Z bar into x plus y bar. X plus y bar. This is the reduced POS expression. POS means product of sums. Here you can see the product of sum expression. Next problem. F of ABC is equal to pi of 0, 2, 3, 4, 6. 0, 2, 3, 4, 6. Reduce it by using K-map. Yes, there are 3 variables in the question. So there would be 8 squares. Zero, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. And the given variables are A, B, C. And corresponding binary values are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In POS reduction, complemented letter denotes 1 and uncomplemented letter denotes zeros. So here variable is A. Next A bar denotes 1. So 1 means A bar. Next 0, 0. 0 denotes B plus second 0 denotes C. Next 0, B. Next binary value is 1. That denotes C bar. Next B bar plus C bar. Next B bar plus C. Now 0th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 6th squares are having the max terms leads to output zeros. So fill those squares with the zeros and remaining squares with ones. 0th square, 2nd square, 3rd square, 4th square and 6th square are having the output 0. Fill remaining squares with ones. Now search for octets in the K-map. There are no 8 adjacent zeros. Then search for quads. Yes, you can see a quad. When you roll the map from left to right or from right to left, once in the 0th square, 4th square, 2nd square and 6th square will become adjacent or contiguous. Using those zeros we can form a quad. From quad, that is map rolling quad. From map rolling quad, in the previous classes we have discussed map rolling. In map rolling, opposite edges squares and corner squares are considered contiguous or adjacent. From map rolling quad, using M0 into M2 into M4 into M6, M4 into M6. Now we shall write the max terms of that quad. Now max term of 0th square, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c into max term of second square, a plus max term of second square is a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c into max term of fourth square, a bar plus bc, fourth square, a bar plus b plus c, a bar plus b plus c into max term of sixth square, a bar plus b bar plus c, a bar plus b bar plus c. Now common variables in these minterms are a is not common, next b not common, next c. Yes, c is common. Write the variable c. C is common. Next, from map rolling quad we got c. Now using once in the third square and second square we can form a pair. Now pair and quad are overlapped because same 0 is encircled twice. 0 in the second square is included in the quad as well as in the pair. So here you can see overlapped groups. So from pair using M3 into M2. M3 into M2, max terms are A plus B bar plus C bar, A plus B bar plus C bar into M2, A plus B bar plus C, A plus B bar plus C. So in these two minterms, A is common, A plus B bar common variable, next C bar not common. So from pair we got the max term A plus B bar. Next final reduced POS expression is C plus A plus B bar. C into A plus B bar. This is the final reduced POS expression. POS means product of sums, product of sum. Next problem, f of ABC is equal to pi of 1, 4, 6. Pi of 1, 4, 6, reduce it by using K-map. There are 3 variables. So we shall draw 8 square K-map. Variables are A, B, C, binary values 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So 0 denotes A, 1 denotes A bar. Next 0 0 B plus C, 0 1 B plus C bar. Complemented letter denotes 1. Next 1 1 B bar plus C bar, 1 0 B bar plus C. Next, first, fourth and sixth squares are having the max terms leads to output 0. 1 4 6. 1 4 6. Fill the remaining squares with the ones. Now search for octets. There are no octets. Then search for quads. There are no 4 adjacent zeros. Then search for pairs. Yes, by rolling the map, zeros in the fourth square and sixth square will become contiguous or adjacent. Using those zeros, we can form a pair. That is called map rolling pair. When you roll the map from left to right or from right to left, zeros in the fourth square and sixth square will become adjacent. From map rolling pair, using M4 into M6. M4 into M6. Now max term of fourth square is A bar plus B plus C. A bar plus B plus C. Max term of sixth square is A bar plus B bar plus C. A bar plus B bar plus C. In these two max terms, A bar is common, A bar plus B not common, C. Yes, C is common. So write C. So from map rolling pair, we got A bar plus C. We got the max term A bar plus C. Next, you can see a single max term in the first square. So write the single max term. So max term in the first square is not included in any group. So write that max term. Single max term M1. M1 is A bar plus B plus C bar. A bar plus B plus C bar. Sorry. A plus B plus C bar. A plus B plus C bar. Max term of first square A plus B plus C bar. Okay, now we shall write the final reduced POS expression by multiplying the max terms. So max term of pair A bar plus C into max term, that is single max term, into A plus B plus C bar. A plus B plus C bar. So this is the final POS expression. POS means Boolean expression represented as a product of max terms. Here you can see product of two max terms. They are A bar plus C and A plus B plus C bar. What is max term? Max term means sum of all the literals with or without bar. Here you can see sum of the literals. Next problem, given f of a, b, CD is equal to pi of 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, 14. Reduce it by using K-map. One, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12 and 14. Four variables in the expression are A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Binary values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B, C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. Next step is filling the map. First square, next 3, 4, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, 14. So these squares are having the max terms leads to output 0. So fill the remaining squares with the ones. Now search for octets. There are no 8 adjacent zeros. Then search for quads. When you roll the map from left to right or from right to left, zeros in the 4th square, 12th square, 6th square and 14th square will become contiguous. Using those squares we can form a quad. From quad 1 using M4, M6, M12, M14. M4, M6, M12, M14. Max terms are max term of 4th square A plus B bar plus C plus D, A plus B bar plus C plus D into max term of 6th square A plus B bar plus C bar plus D, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D into M12 A bar plus B bar plus C plus D, A bar plus B bar plus C plus D into max term of 14th square A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D, A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Now common variables in these 4 minterms are A is not common, B bar, yes B bar is common, plus C not common, D is common. So from quad 1 we got the max term B bar plus D. Now when you roll the map from top to bottom or from bottom to top, zeros in the 1st square, 3rd square, 9th square and 11th square will become adjacent. Using those zeros we can form a quad. From quad 2, so from map rolling quad 1 we got B bar plus D. Map rolling quad 1. From map rolling quad 2, quad 2 using m1, m3, m9, m11. m1, m3, m9, m11. Max terms are a plus b plus c plus d bar, a plus b plus c plus d bar into max term of third square, a plus b plus c bar plus d bar, a plus b plus c bar plus d bar into max term of ninth square, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar into max term of 11th square. Max term of 11th square is a bar plus b plus c bar plus d bar, a bar plus b plus c bar plus d bar. See, max term of first square m1, a plus b plus c plus d bar. Next a plus b plus c bar plus d bar. m9, a bar plus b plus c plus d bar. m11, a bar plus b plus c bar plus d bar. Now common variables in these max terms are a not common, next b, yes b is common, write b, plus c not common, d bar is common. So from map ruling quad 2 we got the max term b plus d bar. So final reduced POS expression is b bar plus d into b plus d bar. So this is the final reduced POS expression. POS means product of max terms. Here you can see the product of two max terms. They are b bar plus d and b plus d bar. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.